Today I'll be showing you how to buy Bitcoin on the buybitcoinworldwide.com website. So let's get started. The first thing you want to do is go on Google and type in buybitcoinworldwide.com. Once you've done that, you should see country. Click country and look for New Zealand. The easiest way to find New Zealand is to type it in search. Under New Zealand, you should see payment method. Click payment method and look for bank transfer. Then it should pop up. We found two broken exchanges in New Zealand that accepts bank transfer. The companies that accepts bank transfer in New Zealand is KiwiCoin and CoinCoin. So I'm going to end the video right here. To find more information, go to the Wiz Coin or the link down below, which is the blog. And I'll see you on my next video.